Wheels. One of the sleekest features is the motorized charging door.
A mid-shot showing the low, aggressive profile of the covered Riviera Blue Rimac Nevera, emphasizing its hypercar.
And with the cover removed, the full LED signature of the Nevera comes to life, complementing that striking Riviera Blue paint.
A closer look reveals the aerodynamic Dark Grey Vertex wheels and the sheer scale of these massive blue brake calipers gripping the carbon ceramic rotors. The Riviera Blue paint is absolutely flawless, perfectly complementing the intricate weave of the exposed carbon fiber on these aggressive air intakes. As the CGI smoke reveals, the side air curtains meticulously guide the airflow over the deeply sculpted doors.
Wheels. One of the sleekest features is the motorized charging door. It opens smoothly to reveal the high-speed plug-in interface.
The attention to detail here is incredible. This is the black Alcantara with the striking Riviera Blue contrast stitching.
Reviewing the central structure.
The tactile feedback on these milled aluminum switches is exquisite, really emphasizing the build quality.
Taking a look inside the front, the build quality is evident. We have the stunning exposed carbon fiber tub surrounding the rather spacious luggage compartment here.